katanat CSR jong company Star Cement Lumshnong hinin ka singi ka apnai terik biya yang jobsan kala pelong yak program ka bakar pang Star Club Lumshnong kabala sam yak scholarship daki check shaki aknai pu arngot ki samla puli ki bana shnong Lumshnong bakun thop sa penrungut ki kentai bat san pu arngot ki shenrang ki pedang puli menta ha ki kedan puli ba kham shalor ha ki tanat puli ba pher katai ka scholarship kabana ka company Star Cement latip kum ka scholarship for pursuing higher education ka banyarap ban kentiu ya ki Samla ha ka puli puthi shu ka ni ka scholarship for higher education ka bana katanat CSR-Star Cement Lumshnong ka dei ka ba ka company ke ram marchiteng ka jingsi kum ka jingarap na ka company bat ka ni ka jingthe jingarap kan yai peteng manlau snam hado bakin dadap ka jingpuli jongki ki Samla puli ki bayo ekani ka scholarship ki kenthop kitu ki bapuli ya ka MBBS, BSc Nursing, Diploma Course, Engineering, Designer, bat ki ki jingpuli ki bakham shalor. Ki bala ai jingkran ki kenthop ulaksh maya munjala ubadei unit head Star Cement Lumshnong kom ukongsan VM Ram Kishore ubadei senior GMHRN ADM kibalaya don ringkat hakateka program ki kenthop ru manager CSR-Star Cement King Shok Bora ki kena puli ki bayo ya scholarship ki keme ki pa jong ki kena bat ki ki riu rang ba ki ba nakathan ya ka program la penyat da ikong da yosha biam ibana ka CSR-Star Cement Lumshnong.
Jeremiah Lamare, Patience Seti, Daka Paya Dakar, Ridai Maya Potme, Monlang Pusing, Ailang Kirambai, Nemi Padang, Help me Mukim,
And 31 students are those who are doing their professional education within Meghalaya. And there are 37 students who are there higher education in Meghalaya itself. They are pursuing their graduation. Somebody doing their MA courses are there. So total 90 to 98 students now they are continuing their higher education. Last year, today it is the number 98, but last year the number was 77. So देखा जाए तो हर एक साल आगे नंबर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं.
Now, but all I'd like to say is I really appreciate and thank the CSR member for helping each and every students with the scholarship that they have given us and helping pursue our career choices. And also, I would like to deliver a short note to all the students who are present here. Life is very hard, and we cannot always depend on our parents. We have to make our own choices. We have to work hard. As you know, jobs are very difficult now.
Opportunity, like my previous speaker had spoken about the Star Cement's contribution towards the community development, education, sports, livelihood, rural development. It's indeed a yeoman service which our company is doing in and around the Lumshnong and as far as Joy and beyond also. I would like to thank our promoters for undertaking this such a wonderful initiative in their time and also encouraging their children to pursue their dreams in and beyond Meghalaya. I wish the students who had been awarded the scholarships all the very best, and may their dreams come true and they be success in all their endeavors. Finally, I thank the media member for having taken.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my sweet children. It is my great privilege to attend this scholarship program. So, just now we distributed the scholarship checks to all. So, really, I am very happy to see all you people gathered here. In fact, so every year our company is committed to give. Like last year we have given 77%, and this year we are giving 98. So definitely this is going to become, so definitely it is helpful to the family, the persons who are not only poor and also not in a position to their students to give good higher studies to in a family. So this is definitely is going to help. That way our company is encouraging all students who are studying in a higher classes. So that is the reason. So basically our company motto is also in the same manner. So we are here to help you people. Similarly, whatever we committed, now we are fulfilling the similar way. Not only in particular this scholarship, but in that this scholarship is going to help in each family to go the students who are going for the higher studies. But here we are seeing, so that the reason, so this is a beautiful place, and where you people are living, it is a really great thing. And these climatic conditions, everybody can can see. So this type of area where you are living and where you are studying, so definitely it is helpful to each and every. The similar way in studies also I have seen most of the students, so after this study only he came to our organization. So almost sitting here more than 20 to 30% I came to know. So all people, though they are in 10+2 level, but their English speaking and other things are very good. So not only that, and merit students. So I have seen, even the study may not be BTech or whatever the study, but I have